So in this video, you'll learn how to disable call forwarding on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So the first step is to open the phone app. So look for it and tap on it to launch it. And then ensure that you're in the keypad section. From here, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. And then under Settings, you want to scroll and look for Supplementary Services and tap on it. Under Supplementary Services, wait for them to load. Then choose the SIM card that has call forwarding enabled. Once you've gone to the section for your preferred SIM card with call forwarding turned on, you want to select call forwarding, then choose between voice calls or video calls. Then from here, wait for them to load. Once loaded, you should see the 4 scenarios that you can use to enable call forwarding. So currently, call forwarding is enabled for forward when unanswered. So if I want to disable it, I'll just tap on it like this, select disable, wait for the changes to be loaded. And once the changes have been loaded, you should see it has no number set, which means I've successfully turned off call forwarding. If you have another scenario enabled, you can just tap on it, select disable, and call forwarding will be turned off. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.